No, that is bullshit. I did not kill her. That is bullshit. I did not. Oh, hi, Johnny. I have to go use back thing. Yeah, so you at least get to part 3, because I'm not going to go through 30 fucking days with this pathetic excuse of bullshit. Um, he wrote chapter 3 of Blood and Night, The Rain Falls. Have you noticed there's barely been an ounce of fucking rain throughout this entire fucking story so far, yet there's still rain in the title. She woke up alone in a room she'd never seen before. It was pitch black and maniacal laugh that left her could be heard from a distance. She could taste blood in her mouth, and she liked it. Her cat demon must have came out and attacked someone. She was scared and alone. So concerned that, Denny-kun, she called out. Where are you? Are you here? She walked out of the room. She walked out of the room and down a long, narrow hallway. A feeling of guilt and cowardness overcame her. What had just happened? Um, did she really eat someone? These were things she didn't want to think about. Her main focus was finding a way out. So, trying to, so, being a little worried about your boyfriend isn't a main concern to you. Are here, everyone. I have captured you, Ray. There's no escape. Who are you? She asked angrily. Are you my father? No, said the voice mysteriously. I am Kishomaru, Inuyasha's brother, the vampire. Because of course. Because if it was Inuyasha, of course it'll be Kishomaru, the fucking... I don't fucking know. I fucking watched a little bit of Inuyasha back then, but I'm 20% sure Kishomaru isn't a fucking vampire lord. Rachel gasped in terror. Kishomaru had died. She could have sworn that he died. It was a long, long time ago. Inuyasha had gotten enough fight to Kishomaru over the death of the mother, and Inuyasha had stabbed him in the heart. That moment, he had... Fuck it. This was my face. That moment, he died and tumbled off the cliff into the abyss of the ocean. The only way he could have come back is if he was a vampire. Who had who had been bitten by someone? But who? I didn't want to question it. Basically, he said, I don't know why you protected my brother. He said, his fiery eyes flashed. You can't stand between me and him anymore. I must kill him. I have to kill him, for the sake of our mother. They don't have the same mother. They have the same father. And Kishomaru's mother could kill Inuyasha's mother within a heartbeat. You love your mother. He couldn't help what happened. He was only a baby. Why are you holding a grudge? Why are you holding on to a grudge that you don't need to? Wait, this is implying that they killed each other when they were infants. Like, we're not stating that Like, oh, they had gotten a fight over the death of the mother. And then saying that he was only a baby, that kind of implies that you guys fight as babies. Um, she always loved him. Father didn't care about me. He just didn't care. That doesn't matter. Anyway, it's time for you to be rid of. Uh, then, out of nowhere, Inuyasha and Kagome flew out of the shadows and picked Reichu up. Hey, she shouted. I can take care of myself. I don't need you to help me. Yes, you do. Inuyasha looked at her. I'm here to protect you. Her cheeks turned red, and as she looked away, she saw Kagome trying to slash Shisomu in half. Damn, Kagome screamed. She's too hard to defeat. What should I do? Her skirt flew in the air. Not even going to question. Inuyasha showed the battle on all fields and went at it like wild dogs. Like rabid dogs. Blood sprayed at blue and crimson. That doesn't even make sense. Rachel looked the world like a hungry devil, slipping up in the trail of blood. Shomu threw his arm out and slammed Kagome against the wall, knocking her out. He flew away with her into the night. They weren't seen after that. Oh my god, Kagome! Inuyasha cried out in the night. He howled and saw her mouth. Go fucking after her! It's okay, Inu Richu comforted him. I'm sure he'll be fine. Kagome, a human girl being okay with an enemy who's a full-fledged demon. Fuck you. No way. You don't understand. He's a vampire. He's a lord of vampires. He's one of them now. What the fuck do you know? And he's not a vampire. He's a fucking demon. He's a fucking demon. This is what I know. Have I been thinking? Have I been thinking stupid? Um, he gently put his hands on his teary eyes. The golden eyes met. One of them, like a vampire? No shit, Sherlock. Yes, Ray. Ray and Inuyasha went back to the village. Denmark was standing by himself at the market, eating a Danish. What? Make sure you depart with Inuyasha, wishing him luck, then going to Denmark. Things aren't looking good, Ginny-kun. She sighed and fell into his arms. I missed you so much, baby. I missed you so much, baby. I'm glad to see you back in one piece. When I woke up and found you gone, I was scared. I thought your father had gotten to you. No, his eyes sparkled so as she looked at him. We have bigger problems now. We have bigger problems on our hands now. She showed the vampire lord is black. Go on. Like, oh, he's black. Go on. He wants me to. He wants to kill me for protecting Inuyasha. I don't want to. I don't want to protecting him. That English book. His golden hair flew in the wind. I love you, hey, good. But you spend too much time with your tutor. Please, I'm begging you. I beg of you. Forget about Inuyasha and Shikamaru. Find someone new to teach you how to fight. In fact, and that's not even how you spell in fact, I know the perfect tutor. And why is my voice just so fucking high pitched? This is how Denmark talks, right? The high pitched fucking girly ass fuck voice. Huh. Well, that's the end of chapter 3. Fuck. Well, I'll see you next week of chapter 4 after the Yakuza. Fuck my life.